let's talk about the home screen UI changes on Uber. Now, I've had this for a
You
number of
didn't
months
tell me.
already. I thought everybody had it.
No.
It was one of those things. I'm like, oh, this is stupid when it came out, because it's like I like looking at the map first thing. So I open up the app. I like looking at the map like you got on the right side screenshot here. Instead, you got to click on it and then
Yeah.
finally expand the map, and that's how you
Yeah.
get your preferences and all that stuff too. So it's like extra steps, because the first thing you want to do before you go online, you want to check your preferences, make sure that the things that you toggled off aren't toggled on, or vice versa. So then that way you can adjust how you want to drive for the particular time that you go on. So now I got to add clicks to it, because now I got to click the map, then I got to click the preferences down at the bottom once it finally opens up. It's just a pain in the ass. I mean, sure, yeah, you could scroll up and you get to see like what's busy in your area and stuff like that. Okay, great. But why can't I just have something that I just swipe down? I just swipe down and there it is.
Yeah. And this showed up on my app last weekend. So Joao Duarte, why don't you grab the link when open mic happens at the end, and come on, we can discuss that subject actually. What I was saying has nothing to do with deactivation, by the way. And it's like apples and oranges you're talking about there. So this just showed up. So actually, you will see the left-hand screenshot. Well, Matt is saying that they had it in Boston as well. I'm like, I didn't know that. It just showed up for me. So when it shows up for me in my app, I'll just put it up. So now the left-hand screenshot is what you see. They have 4 little tabs on the bottom now. You guys see that? That's the home page. Then you have, so they separated all these things. They made it easier and clearer to understand, Chris.
No, they made it more of a pain in my ass. Actually, okay. First off, do you have it? Do you have this new layout that they have when you
I don't like
when
it,
you open
but
up?
it's what it is.
Do you like it? What market are you in? And did you just get it, or have you had it for a while?
Well, you had it for 3 months, you said. So
yeah, it was something. It was definitely a few months. I mean, I actually emailed Joe on it to see if he had it too.
Oh, well, you didn't email me
A while
so
ago.
like, hey,
He said he had it too. So,
but anyway, so now you click on earnings. It gives you everything you want to know about your earnings. You click on the little email box or messages. You get all the messages in there. And then the menu, it gives you like your account and all the stuff that used to be there on the upper left-hand corner with the 3 lines. It used to be there. So now the upper 3 lines on the right-hand side, that's a live shot. There's a home button. So if you click on the home button, you go back to the left-hand screenshot. And now, but if you do click your earnings and whatever, you can continue. But you have to, and FYI, you can go online from that page as well. You guys see the long elongated oval go online button? You can go online from that page as well. And then after that, it's pretty much the same thing. So I don't know what this is necessary for. Now, I have breaking news myself. Uber said that they have the Go Get 2025 coming up in DC this year. And
fly us out there?
no, I said, can you guys fly me? They said we have no budget. Literally, that's what they said.
Okay.
Literally, that's who you are. So that's literally what she said.
Okay.
I go, what budget? Stock just hit $100 a share. I go, what are you talking about? And she goes, we all have budgets. I'm like, okay, cool. Long story short, so this is an extra step. But Uber said that there's a lot of stuff that they're going to introduce and Go Get 2025. And with an embargo, they're going to send me all the stuff, obviously. I'm going to do a video. I'm going to write I'm going to write a newsletter or an article for the newsletter. I'm going to put it out for you guys the second the embargo is lifted. So it's going to happen soon.
I hope that they don't highlight this as like this. This is their biggest thing.
This is probably one of them.
I'll tell you what, it sucks.
This is probably one of them. Yeah.
Like, I mean, hey, if you use it, it's information that you can, like, literally all you got to do for the opportunities, you could click the little arrow or you just scroll up so you see what's going on. So if you if you got a promotion, you got that there, or you scroll up and it shows you the opportunities. So if it's busy or flights or whatever is coming in. But it's annoying because it's like, now I have to make an extra click because I want to open up the actual map to what it used to be, so I can click the preferences down in the bottom corner, just so I can make sure that you guys didn't screw with what I wanted to drive on or not on. and check off everything, making sure it's all correct. Because you know what? That's something I got used to a long freaking time ago. Because when I didn't want to drive Uber Eats, and then all of a sudden they switch toggle on because let's say I'm on vacation for a week or something, and I come back or I update the app, and then all of a sudden, oh, hey, you could take an Uber Eats order. No, I don't want to take that shit because it was being paid jack shit, and I'm not sitting in McDonald's parking lot for 25 minutes while you are getting me paying me a fry. No, not happening. So now I have to do another thing.
That's a good point. Yeah. So actually, Matt, you just gave me an idea. I'll just go to APK store and then download the older version, so I don't have this garbage. We all can do that, by the way. If you have an Android, Android.
I have an iPhone, so I can't.
You cannot do it. I can do it.
But like I said, I've had this for several months. So
okay, no, well, this is new to me. I don't like it. Uber. I mean, look, I'm sure you're going to spin this somehow, saying that look, we're just splitting the. It was too confusing, Chris, when everything was on the right-hand side page. It was way too confusing. Okay,
I thought it was fantastic because I already worked it out.
I'm Uber. I'm talking like Uber. Jesus.
Oh.
So it was confusing. And now we separated. Everything has its own little button or a tab. So now every dumb shit out there can figure this out.
I don't even think that.
But the other thing is, you know, we talked about this a couple of weeks ago. The new and improved maps. The gray clouds are gone, right? Remember?
Nope, not for me. I still got the gray clouds of doom, so my surge looks like it should.
Yeah, no, pretty soon you're gonna get this. So this was taken at 4:11 in the afternoon, Chris. Okay, and so if you guys look down on the right-hand screenshot, what do you guys see? You guys see all these?
I see you're offline.
Arrows up, like real blood red is like really busy, right?
Yeah, it's a trick.
Except that, Chris,
it makes it look like it's surging, but it's not.
It is.
There's no surge there at all.
No, there's no surge. Don't get excited. But here's the problem I have with this one. Okay, so do you see on the tabs or the ovals or whatever those things are, the blood red ones, right? Look what it says. Between 1 and 17 minutes, between 1 and 12. How is it super busy if I'm going to get a trip between 1 and 17 minutes?
Because it's
and then
all
the lighter orange one is 1 and 20 minutes. Uber, can you like tighten that up a little bit? Not that I'm going to pay any attention to it, but I'm saying for people who are just picking up or starting now, they're going to look like, actually, you're doing yourself a disservice. They're going to go, that's not busy. Between 1 and 17 minutes, I'm going to get a trip down there. If you're lucky enough to get an exclusive, you'll probably get Trip Radar anyway.
Yeah, but that just shows you how loose the actual metrics are. And it's all 100% trickery. Oh, it's a game. That's literally all it is. It's like you go into the casino and you see the slot machine and it's got the big one. You got the bars or the sevens and you're like, oh yeah, I got to play that. And then I'm going to play it. And then it goes ding, 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 ding. And then you're like, oh, triple bar. Come on. Oh, there's the triple bar. Oh, there goes the triple bar. It's the same exact thing here. Same thing. All it is just bullshit. Give me the fucking gray clouds of doom, or better yet, don't even put that information on the goddamn screen. I don't need it. You know what I want to see?
Well, you don't, but people do.
I want to see surge because that's what matters. This crap doesn't mean anything. This literally means absolutely nothing.
I have not seen surge forever now. So, so this is what we have. We have a new page when we turn the app on.
Homepage. The earnings tab, I'll give them. It's good. I like the earnings tab because it breaks everything out pretty good. But the reality is, I don't want to see this. Can I have a toggle switch where I can turn this stupid thing off? And then I don't need to worry about it. So I can just go right to the map. And then that way I can go to my preferences and change to how I want to drive for the day. Maybe I do want to drive Uber Eats. Maybe I don't. Maybe I'll drive Uber Teen. Probably not. But let me go to the freaking thing so I don't have to hit multiple times, because you know what? Clicks are not what I want. I want seamless. The app was all about seamless.
All right, listen to my partner, Uber. Okay, we unequivocally say this sucks.
One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it.
But then this definitely, I'm pretty sure, Chris, this will be part of the Go Get 2025.
It'll be their top thing. Oh, guess what? We're making it easier and more transparent. No, you're not. No, you're not. Oh, yeah. So I can go sit in my ass for 1 to 12 minutes in West Hollywood.
I mean, 1 to 20 in West Hollywood.
Ride.
1 to 20.
1 to 20 in North Hollywood.
What's my incentive to even look at this thing when you put 1 to 17 Uber? You have like all the data. I mean, is it really that slow out there? I don't think it is. Anyway, yeah, so this is a change.
Aren't those numbers also based on historic data? Or the last
30 minutes? Past 30 minutes.
Well, I know 30 minutes plus historic data. So that doesn't mean anything. It's literally meaningless at that point.
Bro, it's good for the newbies and the ants and stuff. It's good.
Is it though?
Yeah.
Is it?
Well, no, it's not good for them, but it's good. It's not good for them. It's
no. It's great for Uber to be like, oh yeah, go here. So we can redisperse you where we want you to drive. So we don't have to pay you, Serge.
Well, go drive where it's red. There you go.
Yeah, but you're not getting anything extra.
Of course not. Why would you?
So it's all a game. I mean, literally, you had over a decade where Surge was yellows and oranges and reds.
Yeah.
And then they're like, oh, no. We're going to change that all of a sudden. We're going to make it pink and purple. And that's what you're going to get. You're going to get the pinks and purples for Surge. And we're going to give these gray clouds of doom because Sergio and Chris call it gray clouds of doom. And we're going to make it look like it's much better.
Well, they changed it after a year and a half.
We agree with Sergio and Chris. It's great clouds of doom. So you know what? We're gonna switch it around. We're gonna make it look busier than what it actually is. So again, we can disperse drivers where we want them.
I think they worked on that like a year and a half to get rid of the gray clouds of doom. You know, we didn't get paid on that, Chris. That was our idea. You know. I mean, I remember saying,
it's not our idea.
Change it to like different colors, Uber. You know, as depressing it is already. So I'll go like,
no, I don't even want it. I want the preference to turn it off.
What?
Give me a toggle switch where I can be like turn off and show Surge only. That's all. This stuff.
Oh, you mean you want to turn off the busy map? That's what you want?
It's meaningless. It's absolutely meaningless.
Okay. All right, Uber. That's your next task. A year and a half from now,
Surge shows real-time data because that is real-time demand that's built in. If you're showing me this that's based on the last half hour, that doesn't mean jack shit. Because the last half hour does not reflect what is going on currently or into the, in the next 15, 20 minutes. It's not the same.
I mean, I don't know how you're making money if you have 0% acceptance rate, but good luck. Yes, Matt, correct. The 3 Ps: patience, position, and planning.
Yeah.
Look, I mean, veterans don't need this kind of stuff anyway. It's all for the newbies, whatever.
No, I mean, but that's the thing. When a newbie looks at that, what are they going? Are they going to really think, oh, yeah, 1 to 9 minutes, so I'm going to go there, or I'm going to sit where I'm sitting at right now? Or
well, hold on a second. That's what it's showing. That's what it's showing on mine. How do you know that newbies are seeing the same thing that I'm seeing?
Yeah. Well, you know what? We got to get a test together and see what everything is showing.
I bet you the newbie doesn't see 1 to 20. I bet you the newbie goes 1 to 4. You're like, let me jump on that fish. Get it.
Like I say, it's all a game. So you know what? How about I am able to take this overlay, toggle it off, and just show Surge? Because that's all I need. Because that's going to show me real-time data, and it's going to show me a little bit more information, what I need, versus this crap, which is all unnecessary filth and crap that I don't need. Literally, I look at it now of browns. I don't see it as red anymore. I see brown. I just see different shades of blue.
How do you really feel about it? Okay, so I want to. Okay, our Marca, email me, Sergio@therideshareguy.com. I want to know how that was accomplished. I really now. We're not talking private trips now.
Well, because I'll tell you why. They're a black driver and they have X on, so they're getting all X rides and then saying no to that. And getting
I don't know, but I would like to know how that was accomplished. Please email me, Sergio@therideshareguy.com.
Screenshots, baby.
Screenshots, or it never happened. Okay.
All right, but we want to know, what are your thoughts on that? These changes? Do you like the new upfront little screen that they have, the home screen, we'll call it. Do you like it? Do you think it's got more information in there? Do you think it's a little more transparent? What do you
No,
think?
I didn't like it.
What do you think about the new shades of the Great Clouds of Doom?
Oh,
The
no, I
brown
didn't like
notes of poo. That's what I'm going to start calling it. The brown notes of poo.
Okay, fine. So our Marsa did it on X and XL. By the way, Lyft doesn't have X and XL, so we're catching up with you. You know what I'm saying? So
what are you talking about? Lyft has X and XL. Well, they have
Lyft
regular
has
and XL.
standard,
Standard, yeah.
not
Standard
not
and
X.
XL.
So I'm on you, Rob, our Marca. Lyft it, and then he says Lyft is horrible in my area, but I made 2,500 on it. Okay, cool. Well, email me, Sergio at rideshare.com.
Yep. All right. Well, either way, I want to know your thoughts on this. Whether you think it's good or not.
I didn't like it. I don't like change. I like the way it was. It was fine. I mean, look, it is what it is.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.